Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have measurements. Start by confirming each value is numeric and relevant. Calculate the arithmetic mean by adding all values and dividing by n. Once done, decide whether you treat the data as a population or a sample, because that decision changes the denominator later. Save the mean value. You will subtract it from each measurement. Begin listing deviations now, value minus mean, and prepare to square those deviations so signs do not cancel. You now subtract the mean from each value to produce deviations. This centers the data. Next, square every deviation to eliminate negative signs and emphasize larger differences. After squaring, sum all squared deviations. This sum is the numerator used for variance. Make sure to keep consistent units. Squared units will result. If you chose sample data, you will divide by n-1. For population data, divide by n. Hold that quotient, the variance. You finish by dividing the summed squared deviations by the correct denominator. N for population or n-1 for a sample. This yields the variance. Then take the square root of the variance to return to original units. That result is the standard deviation. Make sure your calculator uses the same mode and precision across steps. If the SD looks implausible, check for data entry mistakes, extreme outliers, or whether you accidentally used the wrong denominator. Correcting those typically resolves large errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.